Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create Harry Potter by Balenciaga 2023. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So if you want to do something like this, let's now create the prompt first. Let's go to ChatGPT. Let us ask ChatGPT to give us the names of the 10 most popular Harry Potter characters. And there we have the names from Harry Potter to Luna Lovegood. Now, pretend to be a 20-year-old Balenciaga fashion designer. I want you to dress each of these 10 individuals in a distinctive Balenciaga piece for a runway show. Just write the character's name and the piece of clothing. Keep in mind that this is a 1990 fashion show. Now we have the names together with their clothing. And these distinctive Balenciaga pieces showcase each character's individuality while capturing the essence of 1990s fashion on the runway. After that, let's ask ChatGPT to create a prompt. This is a prompt that I use to create photos using different AI image production tool called Midjourney. 1990 screen grab of female model Hermione Granger wearing grotesque black Balenciaga dress. Fashion movie scene Balenciaga commercial. AR 3x2 V5. If you recognize, respond yes. Then click send. After ChatGPT replies, let's now continue on writing. I want you to rewrite the same prompt, but for every character, with the clothes you chose for them. Remember to write the prompt exactly as I pasted. Same format, same parameters, and the prompt. Letter by letter. Change only if it's a male or female model. The name of the character and the description of the clothing. Ask me if you need more info. Now hit send. And here we have our prompts that we can use on Midjourney AI. Let's now move on to Midjourney AI. Here at Midjourney AI, you can generate images by using prompts like what we did before on ChatGPT. Like for this example, ovarian cancer cell that looks like a balloon. Ew. And that is a little bit weird. Now, let's generate our prompts. Click on enter message, put a slash, and then type imagine. Then, wait for this to appear. Click on that, and paste the prompt one by character. For example, let's try Harry Potter first. Slash imagine, then 1990 screen grab of male model Harry Potter wearing a sleek black leather jacket with exaggerated shoulders and intricate silver detailing. Fashion movie scene Balenciaga commercial. AR 3x2 and V5. Then click on enter to generate the image. And we can generate image like this. In case you don't want the resolution, you can go to upscale that media. You can enhance your image for free. We use state-of-the-art AI to upscale and enhance images. You can upload your image here. You can turn it into 1500 by 1500 resolution. Enhance your low-resolution images without losing any details and get them ready for all your personal and business needs. Upscale that media. Upscale and enhance your images using our powerful AI technology with only a few clicks. You can see the image before here and after the AI processing. Automatic and quick results, increased resolution, and retain details. After you edit your image here, let's now do the animation. Here at did.com, Digital People Text to Video. Create and interact with talking avatars at the touch of a button to increase engagement and reduce cost. Giving a face to conversational AI. Chat DID is a web app that uses real-time face animation and advanced text-to-speech to create an immersive and human-like conversational AI experience. It is also digital creations for human imaginations. Supercharged with stable diffusion and Chat GPT. The self-service studio lets you turn your ideas into stunning videos that are personalized, cost-effective, and engaging. Reduce the cost and hassle of video production at scale in over 100 languages with zero technical knowledge. DID's API is robust, massively scalable, and super simple to use, integrated in just 4 lines of code. It now also supports streaming generation of talking head videos from an image and audio file. Build a whole ecosystem around our platform. To start, click on Free Trial. Upload your image and start animation. You can turn text to speech, and you can also use different languages and voices. You can make our characters like Harry Potter to speak here at DID. Just click here on Create Video, and you can create animation, like Harry Potter by Balenciaga. So you can use ChatGPT to make the prompt, Mid-Journey AI to generate the image, upscale that media to enhance the image, then did.com to do the animation. And with that, you can make Harry Potter by Balenciaga like this. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.